Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a very exciting video for you guys. I just saw these at Sephora and I grabbed them and I was like, oh my freaking goodness. Look at the packaging. Now this is what the eyeliner actually looks like that are in these packagings. These are called Glitter Pop. They are peel off eyeliners. When I saw them, let me just open them up and show you how freaking amazing these look. Now I'm going to be putting both colors on my eyes today, and I'm going to tell you what I think, how they feel, if they're worth the money. These are $20 each. Look at this. Look at this. It's like you could just eat it. Check out the blue. Now that is like, oh my goodness. Now, I don't know if you guys can see all the different colors up close. It's almost like, what is it? A holographic, yeah. Halo, holographic, I don't know. Anyways, multiple colors in here, but this is the main color. Absolutely stunning. So I'm going to zoom you guys really super close to my eye, and let's go ahead and see. Are they worth it? They're peel off eyeliners. I don't know. I don't know how they're going to feel. So let's go ahead and zoom super close to my eye so you guys can tell me what you think or if you like it or not. But before we get there, please hit that thumbs up and the little button by the subscribe button. Let's get to that video. Okay guys, I zoomed in super close to my eye. We can see how beautiful this is. Let's go ahead and pull it out. This is a very, very fine wand. So let's go ahead and try it directly out of the bottle. Now the wand is actually, I do like this wand. It's not so like wobbly or so wimpy that you can't work with it. I like a medium to firm wand, and this is a medium wand. You guys can see right there how it's really not going on very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just put some product on my hand here. It gives me more flexibility to actually pick up what I need. Oh yeah, if you do it that way, it works so much better. Now it starts to dry up pretty quick on the hand, so make sure that you get as much as you can. Let's go ahead and try the purple underneath the eye. Okay guys, so they are so absolutely stunning. Like the blue, look how stunning the blue is. They are the most fun colors. This eye is still currently wet, but this one is starting to dry. Now I will say that they feel exactly like the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. Let me just kind of swipe a little bit of this one on my hand and show you guys what this one looks like. So it feels very similar. Now when I say that, that's not always a good thing, because as this one is drying, my eye is being extremely irritated. Like it feels like I have the driest, thickest glue on my eye, and it's really, really itching me right here in the corner and where this wing comes out. Very irritating to my eyes. It really feels like I put glue on my eyes. Now let's go ahead and see if it peels off. Oh, wow. Look at that. It peeled off all in one step. Oh my goodness. So it peeled right off like you saw. It also left a stain on my eye behind. You see that blue that it left behind? Let's go ahead and peel this bottom one off. So just, oh shit, that's my eyelash. So it does peel off. Oh, shoot. Oh, you see this? I lost two, oh my goodness, I lost another one. I lost two eyelashes taking that off. So, oh my gosh, this one's starting to dry and get irritated as well. So let me just kind of show you on the hand. You can see how hard this becomes. And then it flakes off like that, right? Is this one dry yet? And it flakes off. Well, the other one, the Revlon does the same thing when it dries. This is becoming so irritating to my eye. Okay, let's just get to my final thoughts. I don't think that this product is really worth it. Obviously, it gives my eye a lot of irritation because it dries down. It makes my skin feel like it's like super tight, which I honestly think that if you're putting like a glue of this strength on your eye, at least that's what it feels like, that it would create wrinkles within the eye area. I did just lose 2 eyelashes taking it off my eyes. I understand that it's supposed to be easy and fun to take off, but not if you're going to be losing your eyelashes, and not if you're going to be creating wrinkles. So guys, I'm actually going to have to give this product a total thumbs down. They were $20 at Sephora. Here we go. This one's coming up too. You can see it comes off in one strip. It's very relieving to take it off. But unfortunately, this product is going to get a total thumbs down. Tell me if you guys have tried these. They looked so amazing, but the formula is just a little bit too hard and gluey for my eyes. Let me sound off below and tell me, would you actually buy this? Could you actually stand that feeling on your eyes? I don't know. Would you just prefer the fashion over the comfort? I don't know. Anyways, let me know down below in the comment section, and while you're down there, if you could, push that thumbs up button, tiny little bell by the subscribe button. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.